good. Simple cooking made simple. We made Kraft Mac and Cheese. I know it doesn't sound real special, but when you make it this way, you're gonna realize how special it is. It tastes homemade, and we're taking Kraft Mac and Cheese up that notch. And then when you use the seasons we're telling you about, you're taking it up another notch. It is so good. It is so tasty. So if you haven't yet, smash that like button for me, and let's play. So our water is boiling. We're gonna add in noodles. And we're gonna boil these for about 8 minutes until they're tender. So you wanna make sure that you're stirring these because they will stick together. So I just have actually just water. I didn't put any oil, any butter, any kind of fat. So we're gonna let these boil for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then we'll show you the rest of the show. So we drained out our water off of our mac and cheese. There's just a hair of a little bit of water in there that I'm letting boil off. And then while we let that boil off, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of heavy cream, add the Kraft Mac and Cheese mix to this. And then we're gonna let this simmer for a minute or 2, just so all those flavors get in there. We get our butter melted. It heats up our heavy cream, and then we'll add the rest of the stuff in here. So our mac and cheese has been boiling for about 2 minutes since we added the heavy cream, the Kraft mix, and the butter. And you're just going to want to start adding some sliced American cheese to this. And I'm gonna add 5 slices. And this will do so much. This will help your Kraft Mac and Cheese taste homemade. Your kids will like it a lot better. It's delicious. And it's a fast way to make some mac and cheese if you don't want to make it exactly from scratch, because the noodles cook faster, because they're smaller. It just has a wonderful flavor. Like I said, this is delicious. So we'll let this simmer for probably about a minute or 2. But see, this is already getting thick, and the longer it cooks, the thicker it'll get. But you want it to still, because the heavy cream and the butter is just going to help this, and the cheese is going to help it make a sauce where it's nice and cheesy, and it's going to taste like homemade mac and cheese. So our mac and cheese is finished, and I'll show you guys how creamy this is. I mean, look at that. That doesn't look like no Kraft Mac and Cheese. This is some good stuff. I mean, look at, and it's hot too. So I've got a mix of garlic, pepper, and some smoked paprika. It will take your mac and cheese up a notch. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on here. And it also gives it a little color, makes it look pretty. And I'm going to try this because this is super yummy. Super yummy. I'm telling you, you're going to want to make some better than Kraft Mac and Cheese using their product, and it's 10 times better. It's so good, so tasty. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you do the 3 S's. Smash that like button, share with your family and friends, and subscribe. And also click that little bell on the top so you get notifications whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much, and God bless.